Understanding the distribution of Bitcoin holdings is crucial for market participants. Large accumulations, often termed whale wallets, can significantly influence market dynamics and sentiment. Our analysis today focuses on the top 5 non-exchange Bitcoin addresses by total holdings. This review provides an objective, data-driven perspective on these substantial digital asset concentrations. We aim to illuminate potential implications for investors and traders based purely on on-chain data. Owner identities remain anonymous, adhering to privacy principles. Our ranking is derived from publicly available blockchain data, specifically focusing on addresses with the largest Bitcoin balances. We exclude known exchange, cold wallets, and custodial services to highlight individual or institutional non-custodial holdings. The primary metric for comparison is the absolute Bitcoin quantity held. This approach allows us to observe patterns of accumulation and dormancy among the network's most significant participants. Such insights can offer a glimpse into long-term conviction or strategic positioning within the Bitcoin ecosystem. Our top-ranked wallet holds an exceptionally large sum, representing a significant fraction of the total circulating supply. This address exhibits characteristics of long-term accumulation, with minimal outbound transactions over several years. Its activity primarily involves inbound transfers. The dormancy of such a substantial holding suggests a strong HODL strategy or institutional custody. Its sheer size implies a profound belief in Bitcoin's long-term value, potentially signaling a foundational investment. The second wallet in our ranking also displays a history of early acquisition and sustained holding. Its balance is substantial, though slightly less concentrated than the top position. This address shows sporadic, small outbound transactions, possibly for operational purposes. This pattern is consistent with an early adopter or a private fund that has maintained its position through various market cycles. The limited activity underscores a strategic, long-term investment horizon. Our third-ranked wallet demonstrates a more dynamic accumulation pattern, with consistent, albeit large, inbound transfers over recent years. This suggests ongoing strategic buying, potentially by a sophisticated investor or a corporate treasury. Outbound transactions are rare. The continuous accumulation indicates a deliberate strategy to build a significant position. This behavior can reflect a proactive approach to market entry and asset allocation. The fourth wallet on our list holds a considerable amount, often receiving large, infrequent transfers. Its transaction history suggests a structured approach to asset management, possibly indicative of an institutional reserve or a large family office. Outbound movements are highly controlled. This wallet's behavior aligns with a long-term, low-turnover investment mandate. It highlights the growing trend of traditional financial entities integrating Bitcoin into their portfolios. Rounding out our top 5 is a wallet with a substantial balance, characterized by very few transactions since its initial large acquisition. This address has remained largely untouched for an extended period, signifying a strong conviction in Bitcoin's enduring value. This holding exemplifies a pure long-term investment strategy where the asset is acquired and held without active trading. It represents a significant, stable component of the network's overall distribution. The concentration of Bitcoin in these top wallets presents a nuanced picture for the market. While it indicates strong conviction among large holders, it also highlights a degree of centralization in terms of wealth distribution. Any significant movement from these addresses could impact market liquidity. However, the observed dormancy across most of these top holdings suggests a collective long-term outlook. This stability can contribute to overall market resilience, as these large holders are not actively trading their positions. Our analysis of the top 5 non-exchange Bitcoin wallets reveals a landscape dominated by long-term conviction and strategic accumulation. These substantial holdings underscore the belief in Bitcoin's value proposition among its most significant participants. For investors and traders, understanding these on-chain dynamics provides valuable context. While individual wallet movements are unpredictable, the overall trend of dormancy among these large holders offers a perspective on the underlying stability of the Bitcoin market.